Research opportunities at SLU, a tale of 26. Academic adventures. Let me tell you about an exciting collection of research opportunities I discovered at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences, SLU. There are currently 26 research vacancies waiting for passionate researchers. Picture this. You're browsing through a treasure trove of academic positions spread across 3 beautiful Swedish cities, Uppsala, Umeå, and Alnarp. It's like a research buffet where every taste in scientific inquiry is catered to, from the tiniest microorganisms to vast forest ecosystems. The PhD adventures. Starting with the doctoral journeys, there are several PhD positions that caught my attention. There's a fascinating opportunity to dive into sustainable protein and fat sources for human consumption. Imagine working on one of humanity's most pressing challenges while being part of the prestigious Mistra Food Futures Research Program. This position in Uppsala is available until October 20th, 2025. Then there's the intriguing world of wood waste recycling, where you'd be turning what others might see as waste into valuable resources. And if you're drawn to the intersection of biology and climate change, there's a PhD position focusing on climate change adaptation of forest ecosystems in Alnarp. For those fascinated by economics and agriculture, there's a PhD opportunity in agricultural and food economics that closes at the end of October. And here's something unique, an industry collaborative PhD student position in biology, which means you'll be working closely with industry partners. The postdoctoral pathways. The postdoc positions tell their own stories of innovation. There's someone needed to work on wood coatings. Imagine developing the next generation of sustainable protective finishes for wood products. Right alongside that is a position in bio-based adhesives, where you'd be creating the glues of the future from renewable materials. For those drawn to environmental science, there's a postdoc position studying tree-soil interactions in response to climate change in Umeå, and another fascinating role in isotope hydrology and ecohydrology, essentially using atomic signatures to understand water movement through ecosystems. The teaching and research blend. The academic positions offer a beautiful blend of teaching and research. There are senior lecturer positions that span from forage-based production systems for cattle to chemical ecology with a focus on disease vectors. One particularly interesting position is for a senior lecturer in applied aesthetics with relevance for landscape architecture. Imagine being the person who teaches future landscape architects how beauty and function intersect in nature. The specialized roles. Some positions are quite specialized and unique. There's a research assistant for spinning artificial spider silk. Yes, you read that right, working with one of nature's strongest materials. There's also a laboratory assistant to the Department of Forest Genetics and Plant Physiology for those who love hands-on laboratory work. The leadership opportunities. At the pinnacle are the professor positions. There are opportunities to lead as a professor in veterinary clinical pathology, a professor in forest entomology, or a professor in restoration ecology. These are fully tenured positions where you'd be shaping entire research directions and mentoring the next generation of scientists. Geographic spread. What's wonderful about these opportunities is their geographic distribution. Uppsala hosts 11 positions, making it a hub of activity, while Umeå offers 6 positions and Alnarp provides 9 positions. Each location has its own character and research strengths, from Uppsala's focus on agricultural sciences to Alnarp's expertise in landscape architecture and horticulture. Timing considerations. The application deadlines range from just a few days away, some closing on September 22, 2025, to positions with more generous timelines extending to December 1, 2025. This creates a sense of urgency for some positions while allowing more time to prepare comprehensive applications for others. These 26 research vacancies represent more than just job opportunities. They're invitations to join a community of scholars working on some of the most important challenges facing our world. from sustainable food systems to climate change adaptation, all within the supportive and innovative environment of one of Sweden's premier agricultural universities. I've included the application link in the video description. I hope you have a great day.